Hello friends out in YouTube land. I know it has been a minute since I made a YouTube video. I had all but given up on making YouTube videos, and then I find myself self-quarantined here in my home, and so I thought, what better time to make new content for all of you lovelies out there that are also self-quarantined and that are running out of Netflix shows. So today I am doing a life update because I have not been on here in so long. Yes, I am still alive. So many things have happened. As you guys know, I do have a boyfriend now of a couple years now. It's been a while. I just wanted to quickly address why he is not in and will not be in any of my videos. One, he's a very private person. He doesn't really do social media. Everything he does do is private. He's also very shy, so he's not like a shucky in front of the camera kind of person like I am. It's just not his thing. He is not in the public eye in any way. He does not work in the entertainment industry as a entertainer. He is a audio engineer, so he spends a lot of time behind the computer and a lot of time alone. So you will probably see glimpses of him here and there, but there's not going to be any like challenge videos or relationship videos or any of that kind of stuff. I also am trying to work to make my relationship more private because I feel like I made that mistake in the past and it kind of came to bite me in the booty, so I am keeping things under wraps a little bit. If you do want to see his super handsome face and see a little bit of us in our daily life, I do post about him on my Instagram page. You'll see him in my stories from time to time. I like to sneak pictures of him sleeping because he's really cute and he likes to get all snuggly with me, and I think it's super cute. And I don't want to hide our love from the world. I just don't want to force it down everyone's throat every day, all the time. So there's that. You'll also hear me refer to him as James. Jimmy and James are the same human. His name is James, his nickname is Jimmy. I do not have two boyfriends, I promise. That would be way too much work. So as far as what else is going on in my life, a lot of you guys know that I am moving away from social media and touring and moving into aesthetics. I actually just finished esthetician school and I am waiting for my state board test. I am hoping and praying that it is not delayed or canceled because of the coronavirus, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I will also be making a separate video all about that career and why I made the change, but that's kind of what I'm moving towards. If you want to follow me and follow that journey, you can follow me on Instagram at Skin by Cherokee. Yes, my real name is Cherokee. I'm trying to move into my real human person and away from my online persona in my professional life. So I'll probably be using both still, but Cherokee is my esthetician name. I'm also going to be learning some permanent makeup, so keep your eyeballs peeled for that. What else? What else has been going on? It's been raining like crazy in LA, which is super depressing. Today's the first day it hasn't rained, and I'm bummed because I'm filming this, so I can't keep my front door open because it's too loud, and I really want that fresh air. But I do it for you guys. I do it for the love, not love. I am also starting to make content again for TikTok. So if you guys are on TikTok or you already follow me on TikTok, go over there. I am cherry.dollface. I better double check that before I put it, but whatever it really is, I'm gonna put right here. The Cherry Dollface was already taken by some stupid jerk, so I had to go with the next best thing. So find me over there. You'll find a lot more hair stuff, makeup stuff, style stuff that's just like quick and silly and cute and fun. And I'll be posting here Tuesdays and Thursdays and there Mondays and Wednesdays. So you guys are gonna get content almost every day of the week. I do have toilet paper and water, not a ton. I'm not a hoarder, but don't worry, I'm stocked, which is good. I also have some soups. I'm really sad that Viva Las Vegas canceled. Viva canceled. Also, my book release party was canceled for my cookbook, and also I had a family reunion that was canceled, and we're supposed to go to France in May, and we're gonna have to try to postpone that. So really bummed about all of that, but I am a firm believer that social distancing is the thing to do right now, so I'm also grateful that that is a possibility. If you guys do want a copy of my cookbook till April 1st, if you buy it on the website, there is a 5% discount if you spend under $100 and a 15% discount if you spend over $100. So there's a bunch of other books on there you can buy. And there's free shipping for US orders, and also because of this crisis happening right now and a lot of us that do work for ourselves being in a panic, my publisher has kindly offered all of their authors 100% of their profits until the end of March. So everything I make on books, everything you guys spend on books goes right to me and to paying my bills and keeping my power on so I can charge my batteries to keep making videos. So that's pretty super cool. I'm really excited about my cookbook. I'm gonna be again making another video about that. But yeah, that's about it as far as life update. Things were really crazy and hectic, and then everything's come to a screeching halt. So I'm just here making content, hanging out, trying not to go stir crazy, watching a lot of bad reality TV. Love Island is actually on my television right now behind the camera, and I'm really excited to stop filming so I can finish my episode and see who goes home. Let me know what videos you guys want to see. I am now just home making content for you guys, so any new ideas that you guys have, please let me know. I have a list about a mile long, but I'm adding stuff by the day. And that's about it. I don't want this video to be any longer than it is, which is probably way too long anyways. But thank you guys for all of your love and support on all social medias, and thanks for continuing to follow me here and Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and all the other places. And thanks for your love and your kind comments. And I feel like we're all in this together right now, so let's keep our chins up, keep our morale strong, and keep supporting each other. That's it. See you guys next time.